This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Jeanette Sainer. Secluded 3.75 mostly wooded acres hosts 2,627 square feet. Remodeled 2-story. Lovely country eat and kitchen west/bluish gray stained oak cabinets and spacious center island/range bar. Open floor into dining area. Replacement windows throughout. Gorgeous restored hardwood plus pine floors. Unique cathedral ceilings in master suite bedroom plus in dormer areas. 2 mountain stone hearths to warm your heart and soul west/alternative heat options. 3 full baths, previously AirBnB. Tiled 4-season/heated 19'X12 porch with screened, sliding windows. Train enthusiasts need to check out this property that borders Norfolk tracks on north edge of woods. Under 5 miles access to Thompsontown Rt.22 322 exit. Don't miss this opportunity. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeanette Sainer at 717-436-8200.